Airport English, Railway Station, Taxi and Immigration Conversation. Part 8. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today we're going to practice English for traveling. Imagine you're at the airport, buying a train ticket, taking a taxi, or talking to an immigration officer. These are real-life conversations that will help you travel confidently. So, relax. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak confidently. Let's begin. Lesson 55, Airport Check-in. Imagine you're at the airport. Good morning. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Sure. Here they are. Thank you. Do you have any luggage? Yes. I have one suitcase. Please place your luggage on the belt. Certainly. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant flight. Thank you. Now repeat everything. Excellent. Lesson 56, Immigration Conversation. Welcome. May I have your passport? Certainly. Here it is. What is the purpose of your visit? I'm here for tourism. How long will you stay? For 1 week. Where will you stay? At a hotel in the city center. Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. Repeat after me. Purpose of your visit. I'm here for business. I'm here for tourism. Excellent. Lesson 57, Railway Station Conversation. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How can I help you? I'd like a ticket to Delhi. One way or round trip? One way, please. Which class would you like? Sleeper class. Your train leaves at 6 p.m. Which platform? Platform number 4. Thank you. Have a safe journey. Thank you. Excellent. Lesson 58, Taxi Conversation. Hello. Where would you like to go? I'd like to go to the airport. Certainly. Please get in. How long will it take? About 30 minutes. How much is the fare? It's $15. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Repeat again. Wonderful. Lesson 59, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Airport, airport. Passport, passport. Boarding pass, boarding pass. Immigration, immigration. Platform, platform. Journey, journey. Taxi, taxi. Luggage, luggage. Repeat after me. I have a boarding pass. My luggage is ready. The train is on platform 4. I need a taxi. Excellent. Lesson 60, Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Airport, passport. Boarding, immigration. Journey, platform. Luggage, passenger. Wonderful. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Lesson 61, Listening Practice. Now just listen. My name is David. Last month, I traveled to Singapore. I arrived at the airport early. After checking in, I went through immigration. Everything was quick and easy. When I reached my destination, I took a taxi to my hotel. The driver was friendly, and the journey was comfortable. It was a wonderful trip. Now answer. Where did David travel? He traveled to Singapore. How did he go to the hotel? He went by taxi. Excellent. Lesson 62, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I enjoy speaking English. I communicate confidently. I ask questions politely. I understand English better every day. I am becoming fluent. I never give up. Practice makes me stronger. I believe in myself. Fantastic. You're doing an amazing job. Congratulations. You've completed another English speaking lesson. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Every lesson you complete makes your English stronger and your confidence higher. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support encourages me to create more English speaking lessons, vocabulary practice, pronunciation exercises, listening activities, interview English, travel English, and real-life conversations for you. In the next lesson, we'll practice English for phone calls, online meetings, customer service, and everyday workplace communication, with even more useful real-life conversations. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.